my dear family and friends, welcome to Siri Kitchen Moments. Let's prepare idli. Idli is a soft and fluffy steamed cake that is easily made with fermented lentils and rava batter. It's a proper breakfast served with coconut chutney or peanut chutney or any chutney of your choice and goes well with sambar. At any age group, idli is considered to be the healthiest food as it is steam cooked and enhances nutrients. We can grind idli batter in a stone mortar pestle which turns the batter light and fluffy, or it can be ground either in a wet grinder or blender. Similar to stone mortar pestle, wet grinder works the same for the idli batter to be fluffy and real smooth. As many may not have wet grinders, you can prefer blender as well to prepare the batter. Coming to the temperature for the fermentation of the batter, as cold climatic conditions are not feasible for fermentation, it's always a known fact to place the batter in a warm place, such as oven, with the light turned on inside the oven. Fermentation should be at the right consistency, should not be thin, but should be a good flowy texture for the batter to rise. Before moving on to our recipe segment, please subscribe to Siri Kitchen Moments and show your support. Let's see stepwise on how to make soft idli using idli rava and urad dal and grinding in mixer grinder. Firstly, let's check out the ingredients needed. Add 3 cups idli rava to a bowl. Wash twice until water is clear from any unwanted particles. Now pour fresh water and keep aside. Add 1 cup urad dal to a bowl. Rinse twice until water runs clear and drain the water. Pour fresh water and keep aside. Let's soak both idli rava and urad dal separately for 4 to 5 hours. After 4 to 5 hours, drain off the soaked water and clean idli rava and urad dal thoroughly and drain the water. Grind urad dal in a blender. There's dry and wet grinding blade that comes with the mixer grinder. So use that dry and wet grinding blade to grind the urad dal in the blender. So now grind urad dal to a very fine smooth paste, adding water. In between, scrape the sides inside the jar and again blend until thick smooth batter. Transfer this batter to a large bowl. To this smooth batter, take the idli rava in between your palms and squeeze off the water. Remove excess water and add the idli rava to the urad dal batter. Mix paste with your hands thoroughly in a large vessel and keep overnight or 7 to 8 hours for the batter to ferment. If it's a cold climatic place, then keep in a warm place such as oven and turn on the light inside the oven to ferment. After fermentation, the batter doubles up and turns light and fluffy. Add salt and gently mix and stir the batter well with a ladle. Use an idli vessel to steam or use a tall pressure cooker and steam the idlis. In a pressure cooker, pour 4 cups water and place on low heat. Now grease the idli plates with ghee and pour the batter in the idli molds. Place these idli plates in the pressure cooker. Prepare the idli by steam cooking and steam for 20 minutes on high flame. After 20 minutes, turn off the flame and leave it for 5 minutes. Then remove the plates from the pressure cooker and allow the idlis to cool for 2 minutes. With the help of a flat spoon, gently loosen the idli from the plates and transfer to the serving plates. Smear some ghee on top of the idlis and serve hot with sambar or chutney or any powder. Our soft, fluffy idlis are ready for breakfast. Prepare idli with idli rava and urad dal and comment your feedback of how it turned out. If the recipe comes out nice and soft, please like this idli recipe video. Share this idli recipe to your loved ones. That is so easy and simple to make. Also check out idli recipe shots in the description below or click on the top eye icon where I have shown how to grind idli batter in wet grinder. For amazing recipes, please subscribe to Siri Kitchen Moments channel and click the bell icon for latest video notifications.